Hi, boys and girls. I want to talk to you really quickly about something that I love, which is exercise. I want to talk to you today about anaerobic versus aerobic exercises. After you viewed this video, you're going to go into this same slideshow, and you're going to be able to give me some examples of what anaerobic and aerobic exercises are, okay? So, aerobic exercises are exercises that improve your cardiovascular system. Aerobic exercises tend to be things that you do at a steady pace. All right, so when we go for a 30-minute walk in the evening, that's aerobic exercise, okay? Anaerobic exercises are exercises that we do that break down glucose, which is a sugar in our body, without using a lot of oxygen. These are exercises with quick bursts of energy. So if you're running a 100-meter dash, a sprint, that's an anaerobic exercise, okay? Another example of an anaerobic would be a sit-up. You're quickly moving your body and you're clenching those muscles in your stomach. Other examples, let me go back for just a second to aerobic. Some other examples of aerobic: jogging. If you go for a bicycle ride, you're not doing that for just a quick second, right? You're doing that for a steady pace. So walking, jogging, bicycling, swimming, if you're doing swimming. I used to do like Zumba. Zumba is aerobic. I used to do a step class. That's also aerobic. I also did kickboxing. Kickboxing is aerobic as well. Now, anaerobic is, like I said, sit-ups, push-ups, sprinting. When you're playing things like soccer and basketball, you're not running that whole time, right? In basketball, you are a little bit more, but in soccer, you're either doing like a quick jog or you're sprinting to hurry up and get that burst of energy to get that ball into the goal. Other examples of anaerobic are if you do what's called CrossFit, where you're doing quick exercises for about a minute and then you rest in between. Those are anaerobic. Those quick, if you're doing like quick squats or squat jumps, those are anaerobic, okay? I want to share a quick video with you before we go into the chart that you're going to complete. Let me share this video with you.
Hi, my name is Sébastien Lagré. I'm the CEO and founder of The Great Business. Today I would like to talk about the difference between aerobic and anaerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise are activities consistent over a long period of time, such as jogging. Bursts of activity over a short period of time, like sprinting, are anaerobic. Both aerobic and anaerobic exercise burn fat, boost your metabolism, improve endurance, and cardiovascular condition. So which is better? The answer is neither one. The best results come when you do both. That's why the Degree Fitness method I created incorporates aerobic and anaerobic segments in every class. Not only will you burn fat and improve stamina, you will develop lean muscle mass as well. I'm Sébastien Lagré for The Great Business. Thank you for watching.
All right, so that just gave you just some more examples and some visuals of what anaerobic and aerobic exercises can look like. Excuse me. So your job is going to be to add 2 more examples of each. 2 more examples of aerobic exercises and 2 more examples of anaerobic. I'm going to change this one from push-ups to jogging. All right. You can Google to find different examples. You can rewatch this video. You can find maybe a YouTube video to look at different examples. I also challenge you this weekend to try out a little bit of both. This morning I did an aerobic exercise. I went for a 45-minute walk this morning. But this evening I'm going to do some anaerobic exercises because I'm going to do what's called a high-intensity interval training, which means I'm going to do quick bursts of exercises that will get my heart muscle pumping. All right, so I challenge you to get your family outside. It's beautiful right now, and try out these aerobic and anaerobic exercises. I can't wait to see what ideas you come up with. Thank you, guys.